everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be messing with my face paint palette once again. Last time I did a makeup tutorial with this exact same palette, a clown makeup look. I had so much fun and that video was so unserious. To me it was hilarious and I felt like coming back again with another clown look. This time I'll be taking inspiration from this makeup look that I saw on Pinterest. This makeup look I saw on Pinterest and I really love it, so I wanted to recreate it on my face. Not sure who the original creator is, I have not found them yet, but if I do, I'll put credit around here or you'll find it in the comment section or in the description. I will never miss a chance on giving the original creator their flowers. Editor's note here, I found out where the photo is from and it's a photo shoot from the brand Doll's Kill. I do not rock with that company at all whatsoever, so no credits here, no links to that website or the photo shoot. I'm so sorry, I just do not like that brand at all. So yeah, that's where it's from. You know who it's from, it's said in the video, that is it. We are going to get started. Cue the voiceover. First step to clown makeup is painting our faces white. So with my foundation brush, I'm taking the white paint and smudging it all over my face. Then with my beauty blender, I spread it all around my face. After painting my face a pasty white, I moved on to the eyes. As you can see, the green color is very bright. However, my face paint palette green is not as bright as I wanted it to be, so I wasn't really satisfied with the color. After wiping off the green paint, I decided to use my NYX palette. As the colors are very bright, I wanted to see if the green would be just as bright as in the photo, and turns out it was the perfect level of brightness that I was looking for. After getting my eyes all Beetlejuice green, with the same NYX makeup palette, I used the red and applied it on the tip of my nose. Next, I used the black face paint and draw on the lips. This part was not easy, you guys. I had done multiple takes for the lips to look, well, decent. Now I'm going to fill in the lips with this pink color. Now I'm moving on to the most frustrating part of this makeup, the eyeliner. I am a huge fan at doing eyeliner, but for some reason that day it was just not working out. As you can see, it's smudged everywhere, it just wasn't doing it. So I had to do some things off camera because you guys, it was so frustrating. Ugh. To finish off the eyeliner look, I did the little line as you can see here in the photo. Now that the most frustrating part is over, here comes the second frustrating part. At first, I used this yellow paint because, well, I saw that color in the photo, so I wanted to do the same thing. However, as you can see here, I was confused as to why wasn't it showing up. And I swatched all the colors to make sure that they were visible on my skin, but for some reason the yellow wasn't popping up. And I was so confused because, hey, the blue is visible, so why isn't the yellow showing up? Then I realized the lighting in this room was not the greatest. As you guys can see, this is a whole different setting than my previous videos, and yeah, I just looked really washed out in this lighting that day, and I didn't know how to fix it. Everything just looks like it wasn't working. I wanted to give the yellow another chance, and as you can see here, it was very visible. I have no idea why it did not show up on my cheeks, but I completed a yellow star and then I moved on to a purple one. The makeup look isn't done yet. I wanted underneath my eye to be brighter, so I took my NYX Jumbo White Liner and smudged it all under there. To finalize the look, I applied my longest eyelashes that I bought from Poundland. At the end, I applied some glitter on my eyelids to make it more fun. And tell me what you guys think in the comment section down below. I think I look really cute. So this is the end result of the makeup look. What do you guys think? Did you think I created it well? Do you think that I could have done better? For sure, it was not an easy ride. A lot of mistakes. This eye in particular was just being really annoying. It did not want to work with me today. But again, I had a lot of fun doing this makeup look. It looks so cute. Please leave a comment down below. Leave a like if you enjoyed this look. Did you think it's cute? I need to know if it's cute, please, because I personally really like it. If I was brave enough, I would have been walking in the street with this makeup look on. But I know that people have phobias of clowns, and I am not going to risk myself getting hurt. Subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more makeup tutorials or whatever else I will upload sooner or later. I would really love to see you again in the future. Have a nice day. Bye bye.